In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crisper drawer front panel in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new crisper drawer front panel, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. With the door open, remove the crisper drawer by pulling the drawer out until it stops, tilt up and out to remove. To remove the drawer front panel, depress the two locking tabs on the bottom of the drawer and pull the front panel off the drawer. When shopping for a new crisper drawer front panel, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part will work on either the left or right crisper drawer. To install the front panel, first insert the tabs on the drawer to the notches on the front panel. Then push until the panel snaps into place. To install the drawer, first insert the rear into the rails. Make sure the roller wheel towards the side of the fridge is properly aligned and push it closed. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.